Mobility brings freedom and brings us closer together. It's the gateway to the world, and it helps to connect us. People want to travel in environmentally friendly ways and to be connected to the internet while they're on the move. Data and power transmission components must be safe, reliable and durable. In addition, products should be lightweight and space-saving. This saves resources and keeps operating costs low. To ensure that HUBER+SUHNER meets the needs of its customers, a highly motivated team is committed to finding the best possible solution right from the start. We are passionate in engineering, in production and in assembly. It goes without saying that our products comply with internationally binding standards. But we want to give more than that. The results speak for themselves. A comprehensive know-how and a broad range of products in all areas of technology for more safety and reliability. Travelers can enjoy fast, stable data connections and continue to do what they love to do while they're on the go. HUBER+SUHNER know-how helps them to travel safely and comfortably.